Hello, my name is Luis. I am 9 years old. I study at E Robot Club Sumatera since 2022. Today I will be making a robot vacuum cleaner. It requires a CM150, a gear motor, a wheel, and a battery. The function is to help people clean the floors. It works by when it sends an object, it will turn right. Let me show you. In line 7, there's the start program. In line 10 until 12, it plays a melody when turned on. In line 14, you can see that there is an endless loop which repeats it endlessly. And in line 17 is when the center sensor detects an object, the robot turns right. In line 19 until 20, it's the part where it moves. In line 23 until 27, in line 23 moves forward for all other cases. In line 25 and line 27 is when it moves, same like this, but when it detects an object. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye.